An ice age is a period of time where global temperature drops significantly. It started around 7,000 years ago, and the peak of the ice age is thought to be around 19,000 years ago and ended around 10,000 years ago. During this period, surface of the Earth was covered in thick layers of ice. It is estimated that about 1/3 of the Earth was covered in ice. The period of Ice Age is so much important for the evolution of different animal species. It is interesting to know about how humans adapted to harsh climate during the Ice Age. Humans developed tools to sew warm clothes and made land bridges to move to new regions. They built shelters to survive cold weather. Humans created tools out of stones, like knives and hammers. They created warm and waterproof clothes for the protection. Quickly changing climate, changing vegetation, and increased human hunting caused extinction of many animal species. Large mammal species went extinct during the transition from the Ice Age to the present interglacial period. The climate change may have contributed to the extinction of Neanderthals and rise of modern human. Woolly mammoths lived from about 3,000 years ago up until about 10,000 years ago. They were also very important to the survival of ancient humans throughout the Ice Age. Their coats, meat, and bones provided valuable sources of warmth, food, and building materials for human species. These animals grazed on plants, using their 15 foods long tusks to dig under snow for food like shrubs and grasses. Like today's elephants, woolly mammoths gave birth to one calf at a time. Females and young mammoths roamed in herds of about 15 individuals. Scientists aren't sure exactly why they extinct. Some believes humans hunting and inability to adapt to Earth's natural warming climate caused their extinction. Saber-toothed tigers are iconic animals of Ice Age. They aren't related to modern tigers. They were a foot shorter than an adult lion, but more heavier. These animals were thriving for hundreds of thousands of years before their time finally came to an end. They went extinct between 8,000 and 10,000 years ago. Giant ground sloths were another unique kind of animal species who lived in Ice Age. With its ability to walk on its hind legs, it was in fact the largest bipedal mammal of all time. Despite its huge, fearsome claws, it was actually a vegetarian, feeding on leaves and grasses. Today, Earth is in an interglacial period, a relatively warmer period of the current Ice Age. Most scientists say that the cause for ending of Ice Age was an orbital shift that caused more sunlight to fall across Earth's northern half. Earth regularly goes in to an ice age every 100,000 years or so as its orientation towards the sun shift in what are called Milankovitch cycle. After orbit shifting, more summer sunlight began falling on the northern hemisphere, melting massive ice sheets and sending iceberg and fresh water to the North Atlantic Ocean.